In case you are seeing my video for the first time, now me they call Deputy Jesus, Professor Black and White, that perpendicular bisector. But I call my program Harsh and Hard Truth. It's called Moment of Unquestionable Truth. I'm the person who want to put your stories under the sword and blade of questioning to know whether you are saying the truth or not. Officially, my name is Chukwuemeka Kogolo. I am from Onitsugbo in Anyocha North Local Government of Delta State. Jopala is a chime. So my Ikwere brother, stop blaming Anambra people. Stop blaming Imo State people. Stop blaming the Abia or Ebonyi or Enugu State. Say, Igbo, they are trying to claim your land. Nobody is claiming your land. I be Delta Igbo boy. The same issue you have in Ikwere, River State, the same issue I'm having in Delta Igbo. So, and you know that no Delta Igbo man is coming to claim River State. Say, now our land be this one. No, stop blaming them. Let's face the reality. Because as I'm talking to you now, there's someone in my family, an elder, who might be even 80 years old, still claiming that we are not Igbos. So that thing your elders do, no be today start. But every time in a life, God must send a messenger. He must send a savior. A generation will come where they will question the lies that you believe and decide to put it under scrutiny to know whether he's saying the truth or not. You can generate any story you like in life, and you can promote it and people will believe that it is the truth. Yes, now, when lie became an institution, truth stand like rebellion. If you produce a bad music, put money and promote it, that bad music will sell. So you can generate a fake story, promote it, people will believe that you are saying the truth. But the truth also remains that the day people will put that story under scrutiny, under the scale balance of truth, you will know that it's a lie. I can tell you that those elders doesn't even know that in the 11th, 12th century, there's nothing like surname. Let me educate you. In the ancient days, they don't give surname. You can't call somebody Emeka Chukwuma. No, you cannot. If the boy's name is Emeka, the boy's name is Emeka. His father's name is not included. You can only identify the person by saying Emeka, the son of Chukwuma. Not Emeka Chukwuma. There's no surname in the ancient days. We are talking before the colonial master come. We are talking before the slave trade. There's nothing like surname. And these stories they are telling you existed before that time. So how can a Benin man, in fact, it's not a Benin man, how can a Yoruba man that came to Idu claim that he's a Benin man, give birth to a son and call it Igbo name? It's impossible, according to Zebediah. Zebediah said, foul, it is impossible. In the time when nobody can speak foreign language, when it's difficult for people to learn another people's language, it's not even now that we can learn English. Even with Google or with YouTube, you can learn Chinese. That time to teach another person another language is difficult because nobody is there to interpret. Then you suddenly give your son an Igbo name, knowing fully there is no surname to back it up. Imagine say the man name Nakalaka or Sazua. We won't be arguing today. He give an Igbo name, but we know his father. His father is a Benin man. And they are telling you jargons, and you are nodding head. See, the same story was told to us. The son of Eze, where is the Chime? Onitsugbo should be son of Eze Chime. They told us that Benin prince, according to how they claim the Eze Chime is, will give birth to children and call all of them Igbo name. Onitsholone, Onitsugbo, Onichoku, Isela Asaba, Iseluku, Onichadonudu, Obio. Which kind of lie is that one? What kind of lie is that? All your children bear Igbo name. No one bear your Idu or Yoruba name where your ancestor is coming from. There are certain things that these people, these elders don't know it. We need to, that's why people like us are speaking out. Because we cannot constantly be living on this illusion and all this lie that are telling us. If you are Ikwere, you are Ogba, you are Ndoki, you are from Bonny Island, If you're Okpobo, nobody should deceive you. Even if you like, change the whole name. That's why I asked the question, what language were your people speaking before Igbo woman that came change it? What language? What language were your ancestors speaking before the Igbo language came? What is the name of your village before Igbo people change it to Igbo? Abi they colonize you too? They will not be telling you the Britain is the one that forced them. It's a pure QUD lie. Pure lie. Just like my Yoruba people now be saying that we migrated to that Delta state after the Civil War. Imagine that kind of thing. Do you know that the cow warriors in Delta Igbo, the today Igbos, are the one who waged war against the Britain for 31 good years? Aye Kumeku, go and read it. It's even the Britain that registered it as their history. That the cow warriors, the Igbo warriors, waged war with the Britain for 31 good years. Go and check it. That is before even Nigeria was established. Before the amalgamation of Nigeria, before Nigeria independence, we have been existing in that land, and somebody is online saying we migrated, we are just new generation who came, the Ojukwu use us to. You see, when people don't study, they come to the land and say jargons and believe every nonsense. We make research. We ask questions. I've been to 774 local governments. I'm telling you what I know. Not be they say we they talk here. If all those here that sit before me, they will go in shame. I'm out of here, Joe.